I'm going to show you a super easy flying geese block using a 4 at a time, no waste method for making your flying geese. We're going to make our flying geese using the 4 at a time method. For each 4 flying geese, you need 1 square of goose fabric that is 7 1/4 inches square, and you need 4 3 7/8 inch squares of background fabric. Step 1 is to take all of your background squares and draw a line diagonally across the centre of them. Take 2 of your squares and lay them on top of your goose fabric, right sides together. You can pin them in place if you find that easier. It's probably a good idea. Stop them shifting about when you're stitching. Now we're going to take these over to the sewing machine and stitch a line along either side of this drawn line, 1/4 inch away on each side. Once you've sewn both your lines, then you're going to just cut along the drawn line down the centre of the pieces. Take this across to be pressed, and then you have 2 little heart-shaped pieces like this, which are ready for the next step. Once you've pressed these, you then find your 2 remaining background squares, and you lay those diagonally across like this. Pin this in place. And just like before, sew 1/4 inch away from each side of that line that you drew. Once you've sewn your 2 lines, again you're just going to cut along the drawn line down the middle. And then once you press these pieces back, you have 2 flying geese blocks from this one, and then another 2 from this piece. If your blocks are a little bit big, you can trim them down. They should finish at 3.5 by 6.5. So I'm putting my 3 1/4 mark on that point of the goose, and I'm going to just trim away any excess around the edge so that they're all the same size and nice and tidy. So now we have our 8 flying geese blocks, and we're going to sew them together in pairs, 1 of each colour, like this. So now we have our 4 blocks. We're going to arrange them so that the pink flying geese form a pinwheel. Here you can see the pink pinwheel. And then we're going to sew these 2 together and these 2 together, and then we'll sew them all together along that centre seam afterwards. I'm sewing these blocks together now with a 1/4 inch seam. And I'm going to chain piece them, which means that instead of cutting the thread in between each set of blocks, you just keep stitching. It saves thread and time. And then we're just going to sew them together along this final seam here to make a big block. So there you have it, a super simple 4 at a time method for making flying geese with no waste to make into this beautiful pinwheel block, or Dutchman's puzzle. I hope that you found it useful.